Here's our issue. We've got a Rotax 582 that failed a mag check. And it determined that it's coming from the stator inside the engine. I got a good tip from my good friend Mel Glantz to basically raise the engine up a couple of inches just off the engine mount so we can twist it. We can still keep most of the hoses and wires connected and get access to that side of the engine. And it worked perfect. We finally got the stator out. So let's measure the resistance. This is the one I know that was working. That's good. And let's measure across the other one. This is the one that we're having trouble with. 1,330 ohms. So definitely that's out of range. All right, a big thanks to Chris at Side Slip Aviation. Let's get it open. It's well packaged, and so far I'm really impressed with Side Slip Aviation. Don't get fooled by the hat. I'm no captain. I just wear this. Makes me look a little smarter. Made in Austria. I thought it was made in Australia for a second. Good on you, Arnold. I know you'll be back. Oh, you see that wire up there? I make sure that that is up and out of the way. You're not going to pinch that. Hooking all these wires back up to these two ignitions. So my wife has busted me. She thinks I throw stuff away. I bring it up to the airport. It's okay, baby. It's okay. First start. I'm not editing this. Let's do it. I got my captain's hat on for good luck. We've worked hard. We got a fire. That was good. 1, 2, 3. That's the sound of an engine running on 2 mags. Both mags off. Engine shut down. That's the sound of success. The sound of success.